What is up, everyone? In today's video, we are gonna be making the world. We are. We. Anyways, we are gonna be making the world's biggest bomb, with using a ton of rocket launcher ammo. So, hey, why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you doing it? So let's get right into the video. So, yeah. Boop. Let's go. All right, guys. So, we got a big backpack. And let's put a lot of rocket launcher ammo in there. We're gonna fill up bags, and I mean bags.
Oh yeah! Come on! Get in! Just get in! There's an egg.
That can be. Wait. Yo! I can't move!
What? What?
What? Hey, can you hear this? Can you hear this? Oh, yeah, you can. Did you know that increases your time? I'm just kidding. I have no idea. Excuse me. Almost there. Oh shoot! I cannot move. Oh, did you know the bomb, the bomb arrows or the teleport, arrows actually work now? Oh man, let's go gambling. Anyways.
Dead. Now give me my backpack.
Put one more in and it's full. I told you. Alright, so let's get no, don't waste it. Oh my. Don't waste it. Alright. Let's get 2 more bags. So dramatic.
Geronimo!
We started. I am actually gonna get some of this ammo. What the goofy? No! Wait, get it on the bag. Get it on the. You can. Did I just hear?
This is my sized ray gun and sized backpack.
What are you doing? Bo, get more. We need as much as we.
Nuh-uh.
No.
Nuh-uh.
Can you actually be serious about this? Like, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
How'd I not get this out of him? Like, look.
This guy. This guy. Get out, this guy. This guy. This guy. You're cooked. There we go.
What?
What? I'm confuzzled. Oh, that's gonna be the last bag. Wait, I got you, I got you, I got you. Bruh. Here. Here, here. Wait, trick shot. Yo, trick shot. I'm actually making it this time. Ready? Ready? Alright. The sad part is I'm actually trying.
Embarrassing.
Oh, there we go. Alright. Now, we need an explosion. Alright, get your other bag. No! Actually, Bo, come on. Get your other bag. Bo, get your other bag. Are we gonna do it down there or something? Like, so we're gonna do it in sewers. Alright, ready? Don't fall.
Come on. I'm doing it down here.
Oh, bet. Let's do this. Empty him! Empty it, empty it. Hurry up! Let's go! Survive! Survive! Oh, it's making an explosion! 3, 2, 1! Yo. So loud. So loud. Yo. Alright, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. That was. Let me do my math. Let me do my math real quick.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
According to my calculations,
exactly-
that was 82 to 83 explosions.
Get a load of this guy. It's 82.